Hi everyone, hola, aloha, cha, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, yangamasma, здравствуйте, привет, bună, dzień dobry, sziasztok. Hello, xin chào, yabos tere, salam alaikum, saskiraka, marhaban, merhaba. Phew! Welcome, my name is Brunellesp. This is a September edition of the Natural Beauty Box, which is all about natural handmade products. So I love those. So if you are interested, then keep on watching, and we are getting straight into the video. As you can see, I've got the box here, but actually I have no idea what's in there. The first thing here is the Natural Beauty Box in collaboration with Anna Goes Green. Okay, so this is a company obviously that talks about organic products and so on. So, ooh, look at that. It tells you already the total value. Yes, yes. £73.45 is the total value of this. So, you've got the card here, which tells you heavenly fragrant coconut candy body scrub exfoliates and stimulates cell renewal for silky smooth, radiant and deeply hydrated skin. Oh yeah. So that's the one, what the first card. And then the other one here is got products and in light. So these are all the extra goodies which come on top of that. So you've got the items, face oil. Generally speaking, I don't use face oil myself, but in light unpacked 100% organic skincare products, so that you have it. That's one of those there. And also Eau de Lique timeless rose moisturizer. So you've got another sample here to give it a try. And then you've got the card for green scent healthy happy home. Ooh, lovely. Oh, I hope there was some scented stuff for the home here. I'm getting excited. So love your home with our premium organic British range of laundry and household products. Yes, and it's got listed here fragrance as well. Oh goodness. And this is my forte, laundry liquid, which is 79% organic, ingredients included in there. Natural cleaning as well is included in there. It's got all the different type multi-surface spray and so on. So this is what's in there, and it tells you stuff about washing detergent, the natural one, organic one as well. It's got loads of information. We don't want only that. Now we want to go into the big stuff, the unboxing, the real goodies. So let's just get on. And ta-da! Et voila. Okay, so first item, I'll start with a small one, is this one, which is the coconut candy scrub. And this is the, I'm trying to find it here, Eau de Lique coconut candy scrub, which is 20ml, worth £5.50. A deeply exfoliating, luxurious organic body scrub made with fair trade cane sugar that offers exceptional results and great for all skin types. So that's the first one. Lovely. Then the next one is, I'll go for this big ones here, which is the clean conditioner, golden citrus flavor or scent, pure, deep, rich, scented with organic essential oils and neroli, tangerine and bergamot. Oh yeah, that's my forte. Oh, yeah. So enriched with organic extracts of green tea, rosemary and marigold and burdock. And this is the Cosmos organic. And this one, let's see, it is the Tabitha James Crown. Okay, I have no idea what that is. So Tabitha James Crown 100% natural clean conditioner, 200ml, worth £32, people. £32, 85% organic, deeply nourishing, rinse out conditioner for long lasting moisture. Yes, 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 yes. So I cannot wait to look, to use that. And then you've got this one, which is what I was also looking for, which is green scent happy home, which is a mint all-purpose Castile soap. Lovely. Castile soap is very good for the skin. If you're looking for natural soap that's mild, and if you've got sensitive skin, go for Castile soap. It's super moisturizing, and also you can create lots and lots of bubbles. And the good thing about it is, choose whichever essential oil of your choice, pop it in there and you'll make it smell gorgeous. So this one is a mint one. I'm going to smell so fresh and clean. Yes. So this one, I don't think I need to say any more about it, really. It's just see if I can tell you what the value is. 60ml worth £2. So that's that one. And the next item is the Bentley Organic Rose Geranium Hand Cream. Yes. And geranium is also I forgot, an astringent. So that means that it works for anything that works in excess of what it's supposed to. It helps reduce that. And it is the Bentley Organic Rose Geranium Hand Cream, 75ml, worth £5.95. Delicately scented, light and easily absorbed, suitable for all skin types, perfect to nourish and protect your hands throughout autumn and winter. Perfect time to do that because my hands get super dry and then my skin gets all wrinkly and looks a bit ugly. So this will definitely help out. Fantastic. And we need to hurry up because my son's hands are dying now. So next item is this one, which is TLC Balm, Wild Pansy and Chamomile for everyday body everywhere. And this is from the Herb Pharmacy Skincare. And what on earth is it? I have no idea. Pink's Boutique, Try Me Duo, no. Okay, Herb Pharmacy TLC Balm, 30ml, worth £16. Multi-purpose vegan balm with homegrown herbs to soothe, calm and moisturize the skin. Suitable for all over use, for anywhere that needs a little TLC. Fantastic if you've got, dry skin patches anywhere. You use that. It's mild. It's meant to be soothing and also moisturizes. These things really work, especially when you've got high volume of this stuff being completely natural. It is great. So yes. And then this one is just the Pink's Boutique. This is the anti-aging serum. Woo! Oh, okay, well, I don't mind trying that. Forget the nails, by the way. I had acrylics and yeah, it caused an issue with my nails. So this one is the Pink's Boutique Try Me Duo Anti-Aging Serum, 7ml, worth £7.50, packed full of natural plant extract and antioxidant-rich oils, scientifically proven, superb-charged rosehip, reduces signs of aging and sun damage, and hydrate, deep cleansing, melt 5ml, which is, I think is that's gone. And I think the deep cleansing 5ml is probably this one here. This is the shea butter. No, so okay, deep cleansing is also part of the same company. That's this one here, which is worth 5ml in here, and it's worth £4.50. A calming and hydrating luxurious daily cleansing balm with calendula. Okay, so there you have it. That's that one. And this one finally at last is actually this one is not in here, but actually this one is for 100% pure organic shea butter. Okay, and I'm assuming it's like a cream. It melts straight away. It is super moisturizing. Again, this edition of the Natural Beauty Box is all about dry skin, looking after your skin, moisturizing, and you can see this one here. It leaves the skin feeling really soft and moisturized. This will be perfect for things like feet and so on, which get very dry. You'll be able to use that, or if you've got super drying skin. This is great, actually. So I am really, really happy with all the contents in here. There are none here that I will look at and think, no thank you, I'm not going to be able to use that, which makes me a very, very happy girl, because it's not all the time that I can find items that all of them that I can use. So I'm super, super grateful. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. As usual, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you haven't already. I do appreciate it. And yes, this is the unboxing. I will speak to you all very soon. Bye.